If you're an American thinking about buying property in Mexico, it's not just the purchase price, and it's not even the closing costs. It's what you keep paying year after year, because most buyers focus on what it costs to buy the property, but they don't really think about what it costs to keep owning it. And over time, that's where the money really starts to add up. In the last video, we talked about closing costs, what you pay once when you buy. But this is different. This is about what you keep paying year after year just to own it. Some of these costs are small, but others can quietly turn into thousands of dollars a year. So let's walk through what those actually are. The first, and usually the biggest, is the HOA. If you're buying a condo or in a gated community, you're going to be paying this every month. And depending on the property, that could be $300, $500, even $1,000 a month. So just there alone, you could already be spending thousands a year. Now, property taxes in Mexico are a lot lower than in the US, but they're not zero. You're still paying something every year, even if it's only a few $100s. And if you're buying near the coast, you'll most likely have a bank trust. That comes with an annual fee, usually somewhere around $500 to $700 a year. It's not huge, but it's something a lot of buyers don't expect. And if you haven't seen how this whole process works step by step, I'll link that video right here. Because once you understand how Americans actually buy property in Mexico, all of this starts to make a lot more sense. Then there's maintenance. And in Mexico, especially near the ocean, things wear down faster than most people expect. So every year, you're probably going to spend something just to keep the property in good shape. And finally, insurance. Not always required, but definitely something you want to have. That's usually another few $100s a year. Now, when you add all of this together, HOA, taxes, trust fees, maintenance, insurance, you could easily be spending $2,000, $3,000, even $5,000 or more every year. And that's the part that catches a lot of buyers off guard, because the purchase feels like the big decision. But the real cost is what happens after you own it. And if you want to see where Americans actually lose the most money when buying property in Mexico, watch this next video. I'll show you exactly where that money goes and how to avoid it.